Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn how we can just share our Snapchat profile with anyone. So it is pretty quick and easy. Let's get started without wasting our time. So the first thing you have to just do is just open up your Snapchat and then click on your profile, and you can see that just beside the second line there is an option for share. Click on that, and you can see there are various options by which you can just share your account with various things. Like I just want to share it with someone on my WhatsApp or just on Instagram or anyone. You can just select them, or you can just simply copy that your profile, and you can just paste it, and you can just paste it wherever you want. Like I just want to paste it on my Telegram. You can just share with anyone. Like I just want to share with. In the same way, you can just share your profile with any person or anyone or any particular app. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you, and if you do find this video helpful, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.